So today I'm using the crystal placement grid, and I use the fine tip applicator with Gem-Tac glue. I place a dab of glue into about the center of the hole, hold my placement grid down and pull it away, and as you can see I'm left with little glue dots. I can go back over any that I feel are a little bit small, and this is where I'm going to apply my crystal, and it gives us nice even straight lines. And I'm using the Tanto pick up pencil to pick up my crystals, and as you can see it's really easy, and I can see where I'm to place them, making it quick and efficient. And today I'm using our Luna range of crystals in clear, size SS20. Just lining up here the grid with the existing crystals, just to make sure that everything stays in line. There we go. And then I can start dotting again.